Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of three numbers using prime factorization methods. The three numbers are 81, 108 and 135. So for finding the HCF by prime factorization, we'll first find the prime factors of these numbers. So let's find the factors of all the three numbers separately by dividing the numbers by prime numbers. So here we have 81, 108 and 135. So let's divide 81 first. 81 is an odd number. It is not divisible by first prime number 2. So let's divide it by next prime number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 is remainder. This becomes 21. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. 81 is fully divided. Let's divide the next number. So 108 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remainder. This becomes 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Now 27 is an odd number. It is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. 108 is fully divided. Let's divide 135. So 135 is an odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So let's divide it by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 is remainder. This becomes 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 is remainder. This becomes 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5. So all the numbers are fully divided. Let's write the numbers as the product of their prime factors. So 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 1. 108 factors are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 1. And the factors of 135 are 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 1. To find the HCF of the three numbers, we need to find the common factors in between all the three numbers. So let's circle the common factors here. The common factors are number 3. 3 is common to all the three numbers. One more 3 is common to all the three numbers. One more 3 is common to all the three numbers. And that's all. So we got all the common factors. To find the HCF of the three numbers, we need to take the product of common factors. So the HCF of the three numbers will be product of common factors. So let's take the product of all the common factors here, which is 3 times 3 times 3. So the HCF of the three numbers is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. So this is how we find the HCF using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.